Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Pixel 10 Pro Wi-Fi connection issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to forget and rejoin the network. We're going to open settings and go to network and internet. Here we click on internet and we are connected to the 2.4 gigahertz network. We're going to click on the gear icon, click forget. And now it's gone, so we need to wait for it to show up here. Now we're going to connect to the same network. Of course, we're going to enter the password. Now click connect, and as you guys can see, we are back and connected. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and turn the Wi-Fi off and on. So this is a quick restart. Once we do that, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and scroll down until we see system. Now here in the system, go to software updates and make sure that you have the latest version. I do not, so all I have to do is click download and install, and everything will be done in the background. Now after that, what I'm going to do as a last resort is go to reset options and click reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and reset mobile network settings. This way you can reset your Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi networks, but it will be an ultimate fix to everything. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.